Hello students, welcome to the another tutorial of Nuke. In the last tutorial, we had seen how to create light, how to adjust the properties of a light. Similarly, like any 3D software, we can also create materials, basic shader and apply it to an object. Now, in any 3D software, the node which actually creates material is called as a shader. So shader is the technical term you can say. Now let's again have just a sample image for creating the scene. Already you can go to the 3D scene, tab and read geo, then click on the node to import the object, and now click on tab and select basic material. So here we have a basic material node which is having 4 handles. One is for map S, one is for map E, map D and one more. Now let us see what is this material shading all about. As we had seen in 3D software, this basic material shader also has the options of diffuse, that is the color of the object. Specular is the glossy shine on the object. Emission, you can call it as self-illumination. That means it appears as if that object itself is emitting light. Then we have option of shininess. Now in channels, red, green and blue, all 3 channels are on. In case of diffuse, we have one value and also we can set the diffuse color. Now what is the difference between value and color? So we will see these options one by one. Diffuse is color of the object. Then we have specular. Specular is the glossy highlight on the surface. That is nothing but the reflection of the light source. Then we have specular amount and diffuse amount. Now what is diffuse amount? If you increase the diffuse amount, it will be more brighter. If you set it to 0.5, it will be more brighter. And to change the color, you have to click on this wheel. You can drag it. You can drag this circle. You can choose any shade, lighter or darker. Or you can adjust from these nodes as well. If you want to make it more brighter or darker, it can be adjusted from here. This is the view, how you want to change it, this and this one. So using these options, you can have any type of shade, darker or lighter for your material. Then even for specular, if you want to make it metallic or more glossy, you can increase the specular. Or if you want a leather finish, so you can set it to lower side like 0.1 or 0.2.